up and welcome to my house tour. This is so cringe. Okay guys, so as promised, I thought I'd do a really cool house tour for you guys. If I'm really honest, like this is still super surreal. I can't believe this is happening. It literally just feels like I'm moving house from like renting apartment to renting apartment. It has not sunk in. I've been so busy recently. As you can tell, I'm actually still ill. I think it's just all been very overwhelming, but I'm so excited to share this with you. This has been one of my life dreams. So without waffling on too much and getting emotional because I don't want to cry again, let me show you my house. Alright guys, so I'm going to take you through all of the rooms in my house. As you can probably tell, it is brand new. It is a new build, so it's very echoey. I'm so sorry about this audio quality right now. And it's white and plain and there's nothing going on. So I have got some mood boards that I'm so excited about, like creating my own style. Like I've never lived somewhere where I can actually paint the walls and do my own thing. So I've created some mood boards and I'm going to be like taking you through the whole process. I did also just create a home account. It's Danny Defreitas Home on my Instagram. So definitely be sure to check that out if you haven't already checked that out. And yeah, let's just crack on with it. This is the main hallway, which is absolutely huge. It has so many doors. It's got cupboards. It has access to the entire house. And it also has like some utility cupboard space as well, which is super, super cool. And I really want to make this more of like a moody gallery style. Just make it a little bit more closed because it's so big right now. This definitely needs a full transformation. Next room. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the master bedroom. Still can't believe I'm saying that. Oh my god, guys, this feels so crazy. I actually can't even believe I'm doing this vlog right now. I'm like, I think I'm overthinking it. I'm so like, this feels so crazy. It's so crazy. I'm like, okay. So this is the master bedroom. As you can see that there is some furniture in the apartment at the moment, which we kind of got with the apartment, but we're probably gonna slowly replace stuff. This was like such a big thing for us, so we're gonna just take it room by room and work it slowly. What we plan for this room is actually just to get like a super king size bed, because you know I'm about that life, and like literally go all out. I want a really nice like hotel like vibe going on in here. Pretty much I would say everything's gonna be replaced, but I actually quite like the things that are in here already. We want to change the lighting and stuff like that, but yeah, it's actually a really nice big space. Like this is probably like half of the size of my current apartment, just to put things in proximity. Where I currently live is so tiny, so this is like massive. I'm like, I don't even know what to do with all this space. Then we also have these slide wardrobes, which is super cute, and they come with like an LED light, which is awesome. And the whole house has actually got underfloor heating, which is like a dream, like a dream. Keep those toes nice and toasty, yeah? Then over here, we have the ensuite bathroom. So I absolutely love the fact that, you know, we have a shower, and for the first time I actually have a bath as well, so I can actually enjoy baths. But yeah, this is just super cute, and in here we have like loads of storage. Again, it has like light up cupboard space, all 3 units of storage. You guys know how much I love skincare, so to have enough space for my skincare is very important for me. I have put some of my own personal touches with Aesop in here, which I absolutely love. I love their hand wash, hand lotion and body wash. And then this is our shower unit, which is super cool. Let's go to the next room. Alright, so next bedroom is this. This is actually a 3-bedroom property. What is going on? What is going on? Yep, guys, that's right. So I went from a 1-bedroom apartment to a 3-bedroom apartment, and the reason why is because I need my own space. I want my own beauty room. I want my own filming room. So this room is the smallest room, which is actually still a really good size that I can't even reach at the side, which is amazing. This is amazing. This is so amazing. So yeah, we're thinking about turning this into maybe more of a walk-in wardrobe vibe, with maybe like a sofa or like a seating area that I can maybe transform to a bed if we ever do have guests. Originally I was thinking like a box room where we could have a walk-in wardrobe, but this is just so much bigger, so I'm like, I'm not really sure what to do with the space. But I'm thinking about having like customized, bespoke, fitted in wardrobes that are super cute. The lighting in this apartment is just amazing. Like I absolutely love how bright it is in here, and that's one of the reasons why I absolutely love this apartment. And the layout is just like so bomb. Okay, so this is actually my main bathroom. How do I even have 2 bathrooms for what's going on? Oh my gosh. So, this is my bath, guys. This is my bath. Oh my god, I'm gonna get in it. Screw it. I actually haven't done this before. I'm like, oh my gosh. Yeah, this is crazy. I feel like it's still really dusty, so I'm gonna get like loads of dust, but I have a bath. This is so freaking crazy. So crazy. Okay, so basically I want to make this a little bit more of a rainforest bathroom. You guys know that recently I went to Tulum in Mexico and I got so inspired by all of the raw kind of like wood and the greenery and the forest and everything. So I definitely want to have loads of plants here. I wanted to make it like a humid tropical oasis. So I want to bring more like earthy colors maybe onto the walls. I want to get like wooden accessories. I just want to make like this a very nice comfortable place. Maybe even get some lanterns where we can have some candles and just have that like ultimate relaxation. And guys, we also have the same thing going on here where we have loads of storage and we even have the plug to shave your beard. That is bougie AF. I've never had that in my life. What is even going on? So yeah, I'm gonna get a rug for this room because it is still quite echoey. I want to get loads of plants. I want to get new towels. I want to try and paint the walls as well. And like, I want to play, you know, like tropical bird music. Just sitting here and be like, oh, I'm in a dark paradise. You can also change the lights as well. Let me show you. Just stay right there. Wait, let me try. Yeah, you can also change the lights like this. And I think this kind of lighting with some candles would be like so romantic, super cute. So yeah, I'm so excited. We've actually just ordered some stuff for this room yesterday. So yeah, I'm really excited for those bits to come. Alright guys, so this is the next room. This is the 3rd bedroom, and as you can see, it's still like amazing size-wise. I plan to make this the beauty room. Oh yeah. So I basically want to take out all of the bed stuff. I want to create a really cool office space for me and my team to basically work from. We will have like a desk with some chairs. I want to put some like neon lights up, maybe some mirrors, make it super cool. We are going to have like a proper filming setup. At the moment, I currently film in my kitchen. I don't know if you guys know, some of you have maybe seen like behind the scenes stuff and stuff. So yeah, I currently film in my kitchen next to my fridge. So this will just be like a super amazing space. I want to put all my makeup in here as well so that it's like out of the way so that me and my partner can actually enjoy life when we're not working and I'm not covered in makeup, because right now my whole house, there's like makeup in every single room of my house and I feel so bad for him. So hopefully this will mean that I've got my space and we can just make all the mess in here, get super creative and make some amazing content, and then I've got like the rest of the house where we can just chill and unwind. So yeah, so this kind of, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this room if I'm completely honest. I just wanna make it super cute. I actually wanna incorporate a little bit more color. So maybe like pastel-y pinks, golds, copper, some green chairs, maybe something like that. And then when it comes to my setup, I actually just need it to be really clean and like basic. And I honestly really wanna try and have everything to have a place, which is kind of hard. This room also has a built-in wardrobe as well. So I think because of the size, I'm gonna try and use this for all of my backdrops and maybe put some makeup storage in here maybe. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm so worried that there's there's carpet on the floor. Yeah, I'm actually so worried that there's carpet because, oh my god guys, like usually when I film there's like powder, makeup, foundation, glitter, everything everywhere. So hopefully it's not gonna be too crazy. Alright guys, come into the main living space. So guys, as you can see, I literally just had my first ever Christmas tree in this house delivered from Fantastic Services. They are absolutely amazing, and if you have not heard about them, you definitely need to check them out. They are so amazing. They actually do my cleaning, so they do all of my house cleaning, which is amazing. They also do removal services, they also do Christmas tree services, professional carpet cleans, everything like that. They're like literally the most handy people you need to know. So as you guys can see, we literally have, this is probably like the most furnished area of the house, which is probably like really good for me because I have no idea where to start. So this one I would say is almost finished kind of thing. So this is the kitchen, dining and living area all in one. As you can see, it's gonna be like It's just so much bigger. I feel like this space alone is probably the size of my current apartment. Like this space alone. So like we've just like got something so much bigger. Earlier on I was like losing my phone, and so I was like, where's my phone, where's my phone? I'm so excited to actually have a dining table. And already, I have to say guys, like, I've had my family here, so my parents, my mum and my dad and my brother. I've had my best friend here also, and I'm actually waiting for all of my friends to come round, and we're gonna decorate my Christmas tree together. We're gonna do it as a gang, yay! So I'm so excited about that. I've never had a dining table before. I've never hosted before. So this is completely new to me, and I'm so excited that I get to do that. I get to invite people over. I am one of those people that like love to feed people. Like I'm Portuguese, okay? This is what we do. So like I love having people round. I'm gonna get all my family round. I wanna have laughs, tears, debates all around this table. This is where it's all gonna happen. I feel like this is the hub. And in the kitchen is just absolutely huge. There's nothing in it apart from a kettle, which isn't even mine, so I'm just using it for today. But yeah, literally we need to buy everything, like pots, pans. I don't even have mugs. So I don't know why I've got a kettle, because I can't even make a cup of tea because there's no mug, so I don't know what we're gonna do here. But okay. Our cupboards, I've got all of your essentials. My favorite crisps, as you guys know, I'm obsessed with these. These are the Sensations Papa Dom's Mango Red Chili and Chutney. Oh, guys, I love these. So I've actually bought this for Twee because she wants to try these. And then we have some herbal teas from Pucker. These are always the herbal teas that I drink. I have a whole selection at home, but these are just a few of them. There's the 3 mint ones, and then the lemongrass and ginger, because I've got a cold right now. So that, and then these are just boxes for like my candles and stuff. We have got a dishwasher, which is on at the moment. You guys could probably pick that up in the audio. We have a fridge, which, you wanna see what's in my fridge? Yay! Guys, we have water, and we have a bottle of champagne. What is my life? And we have, is this an egg holder or something? Yeah. So yeah, this is pretty much my fridge at home, honestly guys. My fridge is always so empty because I don't really like to cook, and when I do cook, it's like really plain and simple food, like just like boiled potatoes or like salmon, chicken, rice and stuff like that. Like I feel like I'm quite healthy when I do cook, but because I have this new kitchen, I definitely want to try and like cook a little bit more. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me take you to the living room area. So yeah, this place is basically, again, quite open, and we want to basically get like a really nice TV on the wall here and have like a really cool hub entertainment center for me and my friends to just like hang out. And I'm also thinking about getting, I don't know, I kind of want to get a games console, because like me and my friends absolutely love playing Mario. So yeah, maybe we're gonna get that. I'm not sure. I'm thinking about it. It would be so cool to like have your friends over and play Mario Kart. Like that would be so fun. So guys, that is it for this vlog. I hope you have enjoyed my empty house room tour thingamajig vlog thing. Honestly, cannot believe I've been thinking about doing this vlog for such a long time, and like how I was gonna do it and what it should be like, and I honestly can't believe that this is even happening. I'm gonna try not to cry again. But I honestly want to just say that whatever your dreams are, like follow them. This has always been a dream of mine, and I think the reason why it's such a big thing for me is because like my parents don't own their own house, and I come from nothing, and just growing up knowing that, like we grew up in a council estate, and just knowing that I wanted more, and so I really wanted to work hard to make myself feel proud of myself, and also my family feel proud of themselves as well. This just means so much to me. Oh my god, why? And I honestly feel like I couldn't have done this without my boyfriend. Like, he's been so amazing, and the fact that we're doing this together means that we're able to like have a home like this. So I just want to say that wherever you're watching this from, whatever life you are living, if I can do this, you guys can do this. And it's about working hard and saving as much as possible and having goals set in place so that you can achieve your dreams. And I honestly believe in myself, and I believe in all of you guys so much. And I know that you guys say that you know, like, I inspire you and stuff, and when I get those messages I don't even know how to react, because I'm just like, what is even going on? But honestly, I don't want to get too emotional, because this is a happy moment. This is a vlog that I want on my channel for like ever, and to look back at this and think that this is amazing. But I remember when I first got the keys, I cried 6 times writing that caption for that Instagram post, and I'll never ever forget this moment. I'll never forget this vlog, and I'll never forget this moment right now. So I'm so blessed to be sharing it with you guys, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I can't wait to show you the next vlog, which is maybe when things start coming in and we start making it a little bit more of a home. So yeah, until then, I will see you soon. Bye guys.